Hi, I'm Buddy B, and I'm super excited to welcome you to the world of Genions. This is the Genions setup section, and here we will learn how to make your subjects come to life. At first, let me help you by setting up the Genions SmartPad with your device. Make sure you have everything unboxed and ready. You will need your mobile or tablet device with Genions app and your Genions SmartPad to start with. It's so easy that we can do it together in just a few steps. First, place the SmartPad which you have in front of you. Now, hold your mobile or tablet device in front of the SmartPad horizontally as shown. That's it. We are all set. I'm so thrilled. Just one more step to go. Just make sure that the device camera is pointing the SmartPad and we have proper lighting around us. Press the start button to see me come alive. We are all set. I'm so thrilled.
Let's meet mammoth that had existed on Earth. Did you know mammoth looked like elephants covered in wool?
Just make sure that the device camera is pointing the magic trial pad. That's it.